Hey everybody, it's a new day in Victor, Montana. This is Eric Stark with Radio Arizona RV, and today we're going to talk about the Cyclone from Camco. So this is an RV holding tank vent. I'm sure you've seen this, maybe you have, maybe you haven't, but nonetheless, this is made by Camco. It's the Cyclone, and this is pretty much a knockoff of a lot of other products that have come and gone over the years. The Cyclone has seemed to stuck around. It's made it through the fire, if you will. Pretty good product. You know what's nice about it? You put it on your roof vent, you take off your plumbing vent, you put this up there, and it's going to extract the odors out of your holding tank. So maybe you're having a problem with the odors getting into your RV. Well, this thing helps pull the odors out and away from the RV, and it rotates with the wind. So it's kind of a wind-driven thing, creates a vacuum, and the odors come right out of here, just like it says on the package. So this isn't anything revolutionary. There have been different versions of this around for quite some time, but like I said, the Camco one seemed to have stuck around. There's another one made by Lippert Components, which I'll be doing that in the next week or so. But this one works pretty good. They sell for, I think, about 18 bucks. I'd have to look, but somewhere in there. So it's a great product. We sell quite a few of them and they work. You know, I've never had a complaint about it not working. And generally when something doesn't work in our store, we hear about it. The customers come back and say, hey, this thing didn't work like you said, or like the package said. Can I return it? Or something like that. It doesn't happen. This thing works really well. So I would recommend checking it out. Any local RV store has them, or should have them, or something similar. But if you got an odor problem, this might be the solution for you. So this is made by Camco and it's called the Cyclone.